So, when one grows his Krishna consciousness, immediately his artificial life becomes finished. Bhakti parashanubhava virakti annatasya. This is the symptom of development of Krishna consciousness, that he is not anymore interested for material, unnecessary things. This is the test. If one is increasing Krishna consciousness, at the same time he has got full attachment for material things, that means he is not developed. Material things means ahara nidra bhayamaithanancha, eating, sleeping, mating and defending. So, sometimes the karmis are afraid of this Krishna consciousness movement because they know that as soon as one becomes Krishna conscious, he is no more interested in these material things. Just like we say, don't eat meat. So, actually, if all people become Krishna conscious and give up meat eating, then the slaughterhouse will be closed. Automatically. We say, no meat eating and no intoxication. So if all people become Krishna conscious and give up drinking and smoking, the big business, breweries and cigarette manufacturers will be closed. Similarly, no illicit sex. If people take to Krishna consciousness, then so many brothels and clubs and nudies and everything will be closed. So they are afraid of their business. Therefore they don't encourage this movement. Because ultimately if this movement goes on, then where they stand? Everywhere we go, the advertisement is for intoxication, for sex, and for meat eating. These are the advertisements. Business is going on very nicely. But Krishna consciousness means virakti annatasya. If one takes Krishna consciousness like the dust of a pure devotee, if he takes the dust of the lotus feet of a pure devotee, immediately he becomes freed from all these unnecessary demands. Naisangvati stavadurukramanghing pishattana thopa jado jadatha niskincananang naisangvati stavaduk pado mahiyasanga padarajovisekam. Krishna consciousness cannot be developed unless one takes the dust of the lotus feet of a pure devotee. This was Prahlad Maharaj's remark. In other words, unless one comes in contact with a pure devotee, Krishna consciousness cannot be developed. That is not possible. Therefore, here it is recommended by Sutta Goswami that Jivan chavo bhagavatāṅ hridenu najātumastu vilavetajastu. Renu means dust. If one does not try to secure the dust of the lotus feet of Bhagavatam. Bhagavata means pure devotee of the Lord. One Bhagavata is this book Bhagavata, another Bhagavata, the person Bhagavata, who lives on the book Bhagavata. He is person Bhagavata. Two kinds of Bhagavata. So we have to learn Bhagavatam from the living Bhagavata. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's secretary, Sarup Damodar, he advised one Brahmin. One Brahmana wrote something about our Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. There are many poets and writers who used to come and visit Chaitanya Mahaprabhu when he was at Jagannath Puri, and they would present some writings, but these writings would not be presented before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu unless it was sanctioned by his secretary, Sarup Damodar.